Good afternoon, here from Devon Cliffs, and I am here today to have a look at the Palm Avenue expansion. So join me as we have a look around this construction site from the 8th of March 2025. So as we can see here, we've got a nice sign, Palm Avenue 29 to 34, which just suggests to us that they are adding an extra 6 caravans to this area, as we can see by all the pictures down here. So I'm just going to have a little stroll round in today's video and see what's going on. So these new pitches on Palm Avenue will be able to hold a 36 by 12 foot caravan. These are the bronze grade caravans as well. And yeah, driveways look quite small there, but it's enough to get a car on. That's all that counts really, isn't it? As you can see here, they have diverted the path, so as you can see, it's over there. Used to just go straight through, but obviously they've had to bring it around here, next to the road, to head down the side of there. So I'm just going to have a look around the other side of the construction site to see what we can see. So we've got some stuff here. Really, they do look like they are pretty much complete and ready for the caravans. Just need a bit of a clean up around here. Nothing's ready. Now if you have been here to Devon Cliffs before, here is the Palm Avenue Park, so hopefully you do recognise this, and they are building them right here. So I have made my way around to the back of the site now. Just got some spare fencing and stuff over here, some pallets, and yeah, these caravans get a great view at the moment. I do believe these caravans will be done very shortly, because as you can see, there's not really that much more for them to do, just a couple little bits. So yeah, I'm just going to walk over this way as well. Got some more barriers there. Looks like they've put new grass down here. You can sort of see the squares of that. Well, that's gone down. And we'll come right around as far as I can go. Good look at that one there, with of course the piece of machinery on. So yeah. So I'll just give you one more look at this from the front side of the construction site again now. Just one more little walk along here. Just a little video, this one, just to share a little update. So I like looking back on these when they were building different areas at Devon Cliffs. Now, a bit of an idea of the view you're going to get is right here. So you've got Nutwell Glade down there, and then when the sun is shining, which is not today, you will be able to see the sea down there. Obviously you wouldn't be able to have decking on the front here. I'm not sure about the side. I reckon they could if they really wanted to, but I reckon they actually will do, because there's no path coming off of the drive, so there probably will be decking on the sides of the caravans, but not along the front. Now, for just a bit of explanation for where these caravans are, the entrance gatehouse is literally just there. Got the iconic Devon Cliffs sign there, and then they're just on here. So obviously as you go right when you come in, or straight, you will go past these brand new caravans. And I think that's it for my little update today, so I hope you have enjoyed. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye everybody.